how I made this.
First, let's use a cylinder to make the basic cake shape. Apply subdivision modifier and add loop cuts as required. To make the icing, use the top portion of your cake. Duplicate it and press P while in edit mode to separate by selection. Give it some thickness using solidify modifier. Drag the solidify modifier above the subdivision modifier. Scale it slightly outward and make extrusions. Duplicate the icing and rotate it on the x-axis by 180 degrees. Scale and extrude to your liking. Apply scale on all the different objects. For Liquid 2022 effect, add text anything you like and rotate it to sit on the cake. Go to Object Data Properties, then Geometry tab and give it some thickness using Extrude value. We need to use Manta Flow to convert the text to liquid. Click on the text, press F3 and search for Convert to Mesh. Now if you go into edit mode you will see the text is a geometry. But we can't use that lousy topology. So go to Modifiers and add an Aremish modifier. Choose Sharp, give it an octree depth of 7. Uncheck Remove Disconnected. And apply the modifier. Now if you go into edit mode you will see that your geometry is ready to be fluiditated. SSH, I just made that up. Make sure the scale is defined. Ctrl+A, apply scale. Go to Object Quick Effect Quick Liquid. Go to edit mode and shape the box up until where you want the liquid to flow. Click the box domain and use these settings. Click on the objects you want the text to interact with. Go to Physics tab for each, select Fluid and set the type to Effector. Give it a surface thickness of 1. Next, with the text selected, go back to Physics tab. Select the number of frame you want and start baking. Once it's baked you can go to Solid View and play the animation. You can delete the flow object text. I used low value here in order to speed up the baking, so a hackish way to sometimes align your results when using low value is to manually move the interactive objects to the fluid simulation after bake. Remember, if you want better results of your simulation you need to crank up the resolution before baking.